Welcome. If you want to disconnect your Baseus Encok W07 earphones from Android phone, at the first you have to go for the Bluetooth settings, enter the Bluetooth, then you have to open charging case of your Baseus Encok W07, and we can click here to let them connect. As you can see, they are connected. Okay, and what you have to do right now is just to tap on the settings icon and then click to disconnect, and after that click to forget. Then click forget device to confirm, and as you can see right now the earphones are disconnected and we can easily pair them another time or just connect to another device. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.